Hello, my name is Pierre, and today I will show you how to use the annual budget spreadsheet for Google Sheets. This template is two-in-one, allowing you to track your finances over the whole year, but also giving you access to a complete summary for each month. The first thing to do once you've opened the sheet is to enter your currency and also the year for which you wish to use the sheet. You can then enter your income and expenditure categories, as well as information on your saving funds, their name, balances, and a little bonus to motivate you, your target for the end of the year. So let's switch to the second tab. The income log tab is where you keep a record of all your incomes. Each time you make money, you should put it inside this tab. Expenses tab is very similar to the income tab, but of course, this time it's not about money coming in, but unfortunately about money going out. The saving funds tracker helps you keep track of all the deposits you make to your savings account and gives you an overview of your account in one place, as you can see. When using the monthly dashboard, all you have to do is select a month. You will then get a wealth of data on your income, expenses, and savings. This is very useful for comparing your budget with reality. Finally, there is the annual balance sheet, where you don't have to do a thing and get a complete balance sheet for your entire year. Thank you very much for your attention. All the links are in the description. When you buy the product, you also receive a PDF with all the detailed indications. Thank you very much and goodbye.